Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Valentine's event in Fish It game of Roblox new Valentine update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Valentine's update in Fish It has been released and there is a new event called Valentine's event, and it will happen every 4 hours for 1 hour each, and it will help you to get mutation and also get unique fish. And now the event is being started guys, as you can see right here. You will have more chance to get the special fish at the Heartfelt Island. So first thing first, you need to go to the Heartfelt Island, which is the new island in Fish It Valentine's update. And then basically you just need to do fishing at the Heartfelt Island, and you will have more chance to get the Cupid Mutation. Okay, let's see. I have already catched the fish with Cupid Mutation. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this is new mutation from the Valentine's update. I just got this Cupid Mutation. Okay, and don't forget to join the event guys, and it will happen at 9 p.m., 1 a.m., 5 a.m., 9 a.m., 1 p.m., 5 p.m., 5 p.m. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the Valentine's event in Fish 8 game of Roblox Valentine's update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!